I found out a couple things that are interesting. At the moment, this GoPro Hero 12, when I put it in playback mode, it is not playing any audio. So I really like how small it is. All right, so I just used the voice commands to start recording on my GoPro Hero 12. I am using the GoPro wireless that just came out, really, I think this last week, and frankly, I think I was one of the first ones to order it. And I'm not one that normally adopts new technology right out of the gate. I'm usually one that does it 4 or 5 years after it comes out. I cannot believe how small this is. Today is Father's Day here in the United States, and I think I would wish a happy Father's Day to all the fathers in Canada and the UK. I think other places of the world might be on a different day, so when your Father's Day shows up, happy Father's Day to you too. I did pair this using the Bluetooth. I'm going to clip it on here. And I just wanted to see how it's sounding. I won't know obviously till I get up there, check it out. I paired it with this GoPro Hero 12, which is I think the oldest of the GoPro Hero cameras that still is able to use wireless Bluetooth to connect to an audio microphone. So the Hero 13 will also be able to do it, as well as this new Mission Pro camera that GoPro just came out with. As I walk around here, I just wanted to see how you think it sounds up there, and I've already come across one thing. I'm going to come upstairs there and we'll talk about it. GoPro, stop recording.
This is their wireless mic complete kit, and we're going to open it up, and I literally just got it late last night, and I am really excited by it. Let's open it up and we'll take a look at it. I didn't realize it came with a nice little bag like that. That's really nice. It's got a little pouch in there. It's got a couple dead cats. Another little pouch. It's got a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter male to male, and that's a TRS tip ring sleeve. I'm just going to tear it open here. That's beautiful. So, oh, look at that. It already turns on. Look at that. It's really neat when you open the lid. How cool is that? LEDs turn on for the two transmitters. Wow, are those tiny? Look how small those are. Whoa, check that out. Wow. And it's got these little magnets. Apparently, these are tiny little magnets there. The clip, and then this is the TRS receiver. It's got a gain control knob, indicator lights. I really like that. And then this is a USB receiver, so I can use this on my phone. There's a little bit of a magnet that pulls that back in. I really like that. And apparently this is a charging case. Yeah, you can feel it, and then it knows it's being charged. That's really cool. Oh, you can feel it suck it in. How neat. Now I'm sure those with the competitor will say that's what they've always had, but I'm really, oh, that's even got a bit of a magnet to it too. So it really closes up. Really tight little package. It's showing you the charge level and that it's charging. It's got USB-C, so you can charge this and then just let it charge your audio devices, your transmitters and your receivers while you're out and about, and it'll keep those charged, or you can throw them in there to recharge. That's really cool. Well, I'm going to take a peek at the manual here. Okay, so I've had a little difficulties trying to pair my GoPro Hero 12 Bluetooth to the transmitters using Bluetooth. So I'm going to go through this again. All right, so I take out one of the transmitters here, and I'm going to take that little magnet off, which, by the way, I think those are something that might get lost fairly easily. I'm not sure. I guess I just leave it on there after I take the wrapper off. It just seems like that could It's a strong magnet, but I'm not sure it's gonna stand up very long if that gets lost. So I'm not sure what I'll be doing with that. The clip is nice on the back. So notice it's blinking green, which I think means it's connecting or tries to connect to the receiver. And this is the key, is that you need it to turn blue for Bluetooth. Obviously, makes sense. Click it 3 times to go to Bluetooth. So let's go 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. So now we want to pair it. We'll put this into pairing mode. So let's turn it off. 1, 2. With the transmitter off, press and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now we're going to go into our... Oh, it looks like it's seeing it already. Oh, there, it's identifying it. GoPro wireless mic. Sweet. Fast blinking blue. Pairing with Bluetooth device, it says. It says searching, but I'm going to select that. Ah, okay. I still had to select it. Okay. Ah, and now it's solid. So there, it's connected. So let's see if it actually is recording. I'm going to turn this around. We'll start recording from there. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to try to record now. All right, I'm testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm going to tap the microphone here so we know where it's coming from. All right, I'm testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm going to tap the microphone here so we know where it's coming from. All right, let's see if I just turn this off. All right, let's see if I just turn this off. 1, 2. Okay, it says BT audio disconnected, so it recognizes that. All right, I'm testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see if I just turn this off, what happens. So it's 1, 2. Oh, all right. Let's go in the app and see what it did. Let's play it back. So I'm hitting view media. Let's see what this does here. All right, I'm testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm going to tap the microphone here so we know where it's coming from. All right, let's see if I just turn this off, what happens. So it's 1, 2. Oh.
All right, let's just talk about this real quick. So I found out a couple things that are interesting. At the moment, this GoPro HERO12, when I put it in playback mode, it is not playing any audio. Presuming because it's connected to this microphone, that must be the fact that it can't play any audio while it's connected to the Bluetooth microphone. The GoPro Quick app on my phone, I noticed when I go to play back the media I just recorded, I do hear the audio. I've noticed that it still is causing it not to make any noise, frankly. There's no beeps because it can only connect to one audio device, possibly through Bluetooth. And it is using the voice commands as well. So that's good. And the tally light is blinking to show that it is recording, so at least you have that indicator, but there's no tones or beeps going on. So it's something to be aware of. I still haven't used the receiver yet, so that's the next thing I'm going to try. But I just wanted to get this out there right away, just in case anyone is eager to get their GoPro wireless kit hooked up with Bluetooth. Possible that you're going to have the same issue where you're going to think it's not working and you go to play it back from the camera and hear no audio, but in reality it is actually recording. Thanks for watching. We hope you'll stop in for the next ones. Take care. GoPro, stop recording.